Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna ukureacta la kwisingile entsha ephumile from Musicolic laphana. Siyazi uke signa under iNkabi Record and aswabona ngama results zabalandeli bakhe desimlandela because I think last time ekhipha music into EP noma album it was 2022. Yeah, opheleni wa 2022 laphana ekhipha album yakhe lesasilindile iminyaka eminingi kakhulu lebizwa ngozuka laphana. So after yon album le yaphuma wakhipha nje amasingile ambalwa but akaze khipha iproject ke even wabona amasingile ke wathi ukuthula because ever since asana iNkabi Record laphana azange sakwazi ukukhipha umusic wakhe. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani noma mhlambe bithini iplan noma ubezama ukuthatha iphi direction because unayo record label yakhe laphana iFirst Class Entertainment and even the time esasayina under iNkabi Record bebekhona abantu abarelease under irecord label yakhe. So ngangididekile nami umuntu omlandeli wakhe but isingle lakhe entsha lephumile ino Big Zulu no Eric and iphume under iFirst Class Entertainment. So ngibe happy ukuthi ngibona ekhipha music omusha and ukhipha under irecord label yakhe entsha. So I think music ubuyile, maybe there's something akayiphekayo akazosinikeza wona as abalandeli bakhe because I think usesinishe kakhulu music iningi leminyaka engaqophi something. So igama lengoma labayikhiphile ibizwa ngombali ngizwile typical musical holic song leyo. Lezi ngoma esejwayele mothi wayilalela album yakhe leyana uzuka ingoma eyela ngalapha iyafana nje nalezo ngoma imnandi nje kakhulu and uBig Zulu laphana ngithandile indlela kangene ngake la ngoma laphana ke uEric ke vele ke uyaziwa ukuthi unesandla esitswempuke. So leyo ngoma le insompo kakhulu but nje mina ngiphi nje ubona music ebuya kwisini laphana. Hopefully kuzodropa something soon because yo dala semlindile. Asazi ukuthi movie yakhe let itweza ama laphana kwiNkabi Record kuba kwenzakaleni noma iphelelepi noma bithini deal yabo ibona abaziyo because wasign after iNkabi Record after kwa break history laphana ngakhumbula sasibhaluza ke laphana ku Facebook ukuthi Musicolic laphana ushelwe yikhaya lakhe laphana. So umuntu wazi ukuphamisa isandla wazolula isandla kwabo Big Zulu ke. So after leso sigameko leso ke kwabe sekuba khona ipartnership labayenzayo sabona Musicolic eseya laphana kwiNkabi Record. Asazi noma mhlambe kwaba ipart of it deal kuba mhlambe ngoba ngisiza bo kanjalo in return noma mhlambe umjida uyena wayesebone sesizo Big Zulu laphana uthi emlungisela ikhaya la kubo okay naye asele semenzele ivari ehamba usana under iNkabi Record mhlambe kube khona lo into ambuthela back. Asazi ukuthi ithini deal yabo but uBig Zulu beno Musicolic sebesebenzisane isikhathi eside because isingle loqala le ya Big Zulu album yakhe yaphuma ngo2019 ushunu iNkabi ifeaturing yena uMusicolic and mawubuka ivideo yakhona abayishuthele eBergville. So lo mjida loyo ukhona even naku music video laphana and bayishuthele eBergville le ngakhabo Big Zulu. So amajida nje azayo wazi nasekhala Big Zulu eBergville because ivideo lana bashuthela khona ngempela le kwintaba zokhahlamba. So ngihappy ukuthi mhlawumbe amajida noma engasasebenzisani but ngathi kusekhona lokhu kubambisana akubanga lento esibone laphana between uBig Zulu nomduduzi laphana masebeqabana bahlukaneke kabi ke lapho ayikho inhle ukuthi mhlawumbe maswahamba especially umuntu okusizile ukuthi uhambe kahle ke. So music beno Big Zulu I think isekhona lo ubudlelwano okusebenzisana but ingoma imnandi kakhulu imbali laphana but mina ngisafuna sinike something more laphana because dala sadinga uzo music from yena like we need at least EP 5 song nyani one single asinike wona okay enough away.